fun, so let's watch as they show us just how they celebrate life. Let's hear it for our dolphins!
Then I learned that SeaWorld has always been a world leader in animal care, rescue, and rehabilitation. I knew it was the perfect fit for me. I'm so proud to say I've been a trainer here at SeaWorld for 18 years. And in that time, I have had the honor of working with a variety of species. And I'm so thrilled to be back at the place where my passion began, building relationships with the animals that truly inspire me. As a matter of fact, we have a few of those animals behind me right now spending some quality time with their trainers. And building a relationship really is the most important part of training. It's with that relationship that comes the foundation of trust. My new friend Nicholas to meet a dolphin up close and personal. Hey there, buddy. Come all the way through this top step for me. I want you to put 2 hands out real high, and I want you to give a big wave hello to Malibu.
Saying what they like, what they dislike, what they find motivating, and what they find most enriching. But these dolphins are not the only ones that live here at Dolphin Adventures. We're also, as you can see, they're here with the second chance at life. They both turned 12 years old this year and weigh in at over 1,700 pounds apiece. Now these 2 whales are truly spectacular. They have a zest for life and they're very playful, and that's one of the
It's overwhelming, but together we can make it happen.
There's so much to learn.
So much to protect.
So much to explore.
The ocean with all its splendor and uncertainty than the killer whale, or as it's scientifically known, the Orcinus orca. The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, the Southern to the Indian, to the mighty Pacific and beyond.
Welcome to SeaWorld's Orca Encounter. My name's Delaney, and I'm so
Orcas living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than those near Costa Rica. As you can see, the differences are subtle, but noticeable when compared side by side. Orcas are adapted perfectly to their environments. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. It camouflages the outline of their bodies in the water making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey.
Killer whales really are a natural wonder. And my friends, Makani, he, and Orchid here are going to help me show all of you some of their physical characteristics. Their bowl is perfectly designed to allow them to get a quick breath of air at the surface of the water. To help stabilize them as they swim, as well as assist in thermal regulation. This fin has no bone or muscle structure inside of it, which is why now the lobes found at the end of the orca's tail are called flukes. The tail fluke is the killer whale's engine, propelling them close to 30 miles per hour. That's as fast as our speedboats. But they swim the fastest and use most power when they're propelling nearly 10,000-pound bodies all the way up in the water. By hopping and helping killer whales coordinate and get ready for their surroundings while they
Whales here and in the wild use vocalization to communicate all the time.
like all animals, killer whales use body language as part of their communication. They use pectoral slaps to show dominance or to get noticed. For example, a mother may use a pep slap to get her calf's attention. But when they really want to be heard, they preach.
With each other and to disorient the herring. With the fish confused and contained.
Shuka is demonstrating a similar weight-making technique at the front of the pool. Showing you all one of the... And bravery. That was our matriarch. Some rocks whenever they can. Watch Shuka do this here, just like killer whales in British Columbia. Whales on stage, we have 35-year-old Orchid. She was the first killer whale born right here, knows over 300 breed behaviors, and she loves to combine several of them all at once. She lives here with 7 other killer whales. We're together, and they have inspired thousands around the world. Hopefully you all here today as well to help protect and preserve these beautiful animals and of course the ocean they live in.
The whales here at SeaWorld have helped killer whales in the wild by participating in many research studies. One ongoing study monitors the whale's heart rate and breathing to understand how marine noise pollution from ship engines and other sources affect wild populations. In another study, scientists from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, took measurements of the killer whales living here, including pregnant whales. By comparing these measurements with drone footage of killer whales in the wild, scientists are able to monitor the wild population's nutritional and reproductive states. Other research has been done here at SeaWorld on the mother whale's milk composition. This research will help create an effective model to understand how toxins in the ocean impact wild killer whales survive. And just by being here today, you've supported our rescue, research, and conservation efforts all around the world. If we work together, like the killer whale, we can protect the future of the Orcinus orca and this beautiful planet that we all share.
Hindi ko